Hey folks, Jay Wilbur at Jenkins and Wynne. We are lighting our Christmas tree. We are using the F-150 electric vehicle Lightning, and we're gonna light up our Christmas tree and wish you all a Merry Christmas. If your power goes out during Christmas, if you have a lightning, the tree will still be on. All right, we're gonna wish everybody a Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.